Hi guys, this is a bit of an impromptu video, but Charlie at Cheshire Detailing Services has machine polished the Honda Civic Type R and it is looking crystal clear. Anyway, this is the perfect opportunity to actually ceramic coat this car, and what I've done is bought some G-Technic ceramic coating Crystal Serum Light, which I'll show you right now. Let's open the boot. Need to buy some panel wipe and this Crystal Serum Light ceramic coating, and what you get in this is your ceramic coating, this application tool and a pipette, as well as some gloves, and of course you'll need about 2-3 cloths with that. Let's start off with the front bonnet first. Now I have actually I've started one panel first, and that was a side skirt, and I kind of did mess it up, which my detailer did say to start off with a small panel, and I highly recommend doing that because you will 100% mess up the first panel in some shape or form. So what I've done is practiced on there, messed it up. Now I've learned why I messed it up, and I'm going to split the car or do it in panel sections. So I'll start off with the front bonnet first, bumpers, doors, back, and then finally the roof. But make sure you are pretty much prepared for this job, so make sure to have loads of microfiber towels. I only went up to about here, and I stopped about there, to about here, and up to here. But this actually looks pretty nice, if I'm honest with you. I've got to let it heal for about a day or so. See, the paint quality of this car, well, it's not paint quality, but the glue, there's some glue left over from the little thing that is put on to the car. A little protection piece on delivery. I've done about 3/4 of the bonnet. I needed to learn how to do it and just see if I wasn't making any mistakes. It's actually pretty hard trying to film it and do it at the same time. Okay, now that this panel is pretty much all dry and there is no residue left over, get your little pad, open this up, squeeze about, there you go, like a pipette. Chemistry class. I actually did A-level chemistry, funnily enough. Got a D in it. And what you want to do is squeeze onto here. Squeeze it all over. One full pipette measurement will do. That'll be enough for that section up there. Guys, if you are doing ceramic coating, do close the lid of your ceramic coating or else it will crystallize. Anyway, so I've done up to here, and I've done, weirdly, up to here. I've cleaned the whole front bumper with the panel wipe, and now we should just go over it with the ceramic. So I'm not going to go all the way down because it's quite dirty down there, so I'm just going to go up to about here. God, the detail has made it look so easy. It's actually quite difficult to apply this properly. Like I said, we will not know the results until towards the end of this video, so I could have completely botched this all up. Kind of feel sorry for Charlie because he just spent a lot of labour machine polishing this up, and he's done a fantastic job. Big shout out to him. Just want to get right in the edge. Yeah, there we go. Not touching the plastics up there, and we'll stop about there. At the end, it is recommended that you actually go over once more, do a last final spot check, just so you haven't actually left anything, or else that would be cringe. It's chucking it down as well, rain, which is not helpful. And that's when I should have stopped. Things really did go downhill from now on, as I had to drive back home in the pissing rain. That basically meant the ceramic coating didn't have enough time to cure, and its properties of repelling water and dirt essentially didn't work. Worst part yet, after reading online forums and getting advice off people on Facebook, I thought the ceramic would have left streaks due to it not bonding properly, so I woke up the next morning at 5 a.m. and just wiped the whole car down. Luckily, if I'm honest, I didn't spot any streaking. So a week has passed since I applied my ceramic coating, and I'm sure you guys are aware of how much of a fail that was. Yeah, I tried to get that off as soon as possible, but hopefully some of the ceramic is actually attached onto the car. We'll find out in today's video when I spray the car with some jet wash. But one thing I forgot to do was to take off the dealer stickers on this car. Rose, you are a legend, Rose Honda, but these stickers unfortunately have to go. So let's try peel these off. I did actually buy a prying tool, not for this procedure, but I did try to take it off with that, smidge it off. It didn't work. I'm gonna have to do it by hand. So let's, oh, these are on tight. That with me. And then after this one's done, just rub off any residue you've got left. You should have some like glue on the sides. Just get a cloth, rub it off, and it should be all fine and dandy. And then you want to move on to your rear one here, which we'll take off. Oh, and there's a CDS one as well. Right, let's see how easy or hard this one is. That one came off nice and easy. And there we have it, boys. Stickers off. Actually took me about 15-20 minutes, but it looks so much better without the stickers. Anyway, let's give the ceramic coating that I applied on the front end and the roof a quick little jet wash to see if it's actually remained on there. Moment of truth. Has it stuck on? Crystal Serum Light. Oh, it's actually beading off, to be fair. Oh yeah, a little bit. Poor application in the centre. You can see on the far right side, the application has been pretty good. Obviously, I didn't have enough time to let it cure. I had to whack it off. But you can see that Crystal Serum Light is actually idiot-proof. So there hasn't been any, hasn't left any residue or streaks, which is good to see. That was one hell of a fail. But what we're going to do next is ceramic coat the windscreen, windows, back window, and yeah, leave it at that. I don't think I could do a full coat until the summer, to be honest with you. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.